Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Firestore security rules without downtime. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update Firestore security rules without downtime, begin by accessing your Firebase console. Select your project from the dashboard. Navigate to Firestore database in the left-hand menu. Click on the Rules tab to view your current security rules. To avoid downtime, create a backup of your existing rules. Copy your current rules and save them in a text file for safekeeping. Next, start planning your new rules. Make sure your new rules do not inadvertently lock out users or break existing functionality. To implement the changes, use a staging environment first. Deploy your new rules to the staging environment. Test thoroughly to ensure the new rules work as intended. Check that your application interacts properly with Firestore under the new rules. Once testing is complete, prepare for the production deployment. Schedule a time for deployment when user activity is low. Now, navigate back to the Production Rules tab in the Firestore console. Paste your updated rules into the editor. Review the changes carefully to ensure accuracy. When ready, click the Publish button to apply the new rules. Monitor your application's behavior immediately after deployment. Check for any unexpected errors or access issues. If problems arise, revert to your backup rules to restore previous functionality. Once you confirm everything is working smoothly, document the changes made. Finally, inform your team about the updates and any relevant changes to the development workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.